Got yourself a brand new Tata? Before the dust, scratches, and fingerprints show up, let's protect that screen the smart way. This is the Spartan Shield screen protector, built for Tata's latest infotainment systems and made for easy DIY installation. Start by using the alcohol wipe included in your kit to clean the screen thoroughly. Remove all traces of dust, oil, and factory residue. Next, dry the surface completely using the microfiber cloth provided. A clean and dry screen is the foundation of a perfect install. Now use the dust removal sticker to pick up any remaining tiny particles. Even one speck can lead to a trapped air bubble. Gently peel off the backing layer of the screen protector. Align the protector to the center of the screen. This helps air escape smoothly and ensures a clean finish. Lay it down slowly and press from the center outward to let the adhesive settle naturally. Use the squeegee to remove any air bubbles and seal the edges perfectly. Finally, peel off the top film, and that's it. Your Tata screen is now Spartan protected. ScratchProof, smudge-resistant, DIY easy, made to protect every journey in your Tata.